This is not a room. It's an adaptable studio system. Assembly begins with the stage, modular perimeter and central isolation decks coming together to form a 16 by 20 foot footprint. Once assembled, the stage provides both structural ballast and direct access to power and signal, concealed around the studio's perimeter. From the stage, an extruded aluminum framework extends upward to establish the main frame. Together, the stage and the frame form the chassis, the system's foundational infrastructure, providing adjustable connection points for every component in any configuration. The system has been designed to accommodate changing audio formats. Stands and mounts engineered for any speaker system attached directly to tracks in the stage and frame, allowing layouts to be reconfigured and recalled with speed and precision. The interior frame expands the system further, supporting acoustics, visuals, and lighting. Blinds, the cloud, and acoustic columns can be positioned, adjusted, or removed to tune the room to the needs of the work. The same frame provides the track system for the immersive visual wall screens, allowing them to detach easily for access to speakers and other studio operations behind them. Adjustable tracks in the frame overhead provide mounting points for projectors. Lighting and climate are integrated, not added, personalized, responsive, and out of the way. The new studio system is designed to adapt to the work, from music to film to podcasting and beyond. It's built to be a highly utilized, multi-purpose creative asset, installed, tuned, moved, reused, and personalized like any other piece of audiovisual equipment. No sunk infrastructure, no starting over when things change. Every component can be disassembled and reconfigured. The new studio system is ready, wherever your work takes you.